Hi everyone, my name is Orsi, aka Rocky, and welcome to Phoenix Vocal Studio. Today I'm going to do an analysis of Dimanche Hymne, l'amour. I hope I said it right. L'amour. I'm very curious because I love Edith Piaf. So let's see. It's interesting because I'm watching a video. It has a lot of Chinese words, and all I can see is 27, which lately I see this number, so I'm very curious why it says 27. If somebody knows what it means, please let me know. Anyway, as usual, let's listen, and then I'm gonna talk.
Le ciel bleu sur nous peut s'effondrer et la terre peut bien s'écrouler. Peu m'importe si tu m'aimes, j'aime-vous du monde entier.
L'amour inonde mes waters,
à mon corps frémira sous ta main, à m'importe le problème, mon amour, puisque tu
je vais jusqu'au bout du monde, je me ferai d'être à bande.
si tu me le demandais,
Je vais décrocher la lune, je vais voler la fortune.
si tu me le demandais. J'enruinerai ma patrie, j'enruinerai mes amis, si tu me le demandais. Oh, que bien fait pour moi, je ferai n'importe quoi, si tu me
If one day we had to say goodbye, and our love were to fade away and die,
in my heart you will remain dear,
and I will
sink into love, whose love will live eternally in the gloom
wow. All I can say for now, wow. This was really, really intense in terms of literally everything. It was like a musical when you showcase basically like all the characters of the musical, because I was just counting even in the first minute that he showed at least 3 different ranges and how many different genres and sound, and it was only the first minute. I would love to listen this again, because it was it was very intense, but in a different way. Because usually, when I listen to him, one song, guys, I always say that it's literally like a life. One song is like a life, like from the birth till the death. And this song, it was like 4 minutes. It was like birth, die, birth, die, birth, die, birth, die. So like a constant slap in the face, or like the waves in the sea, because he showed, I wouldn't say everything, because now never know. When we think that he actually, now we saw everything, no, no, he can always prove that we are wrong. No. Wow, that was just beautiful. Oh my god! And in the beginning, the lows. His lows are insane. I'm sorry, but seriously, what low sound did he have now? Because I've already heard, obviously, especially in the concert last year in Budapest, that he has some incredible bass. But now it's like it's even getting even bigger and bigger and even basser, like lower. It's like how he's literally beyond physical human limits. He literally shows that there are no physical limits. I mean, obviously we are different, and it's different for everyone, but when I listen to him, or when I see him, like from time to time, I literally feel like that he doesn't have like physical limits, literally like what is it, like expanding the limits, if there is even limits of him. And what is incredible, I know I always tell this, but even though that he shows okay, just one sec. So even he shows, technically, vocally, sound, genre, everything, still I feel like it's just, I can't get enough of him, or whatever it's coming from him. It's an absolute, I have no doubt that is a godly energy comes from him. I've read something, I don't know if it's true or not, but to be honest, I can imagine, I can believe, because like people started to feel Jesus' appearance when he was getting closer from miles and miles away, because the love was so strong that came from him or through him, that people felt his presence from miles and miles away before he got there. I know this is true, because it's just not a question anymore. We felt that kind of love, that kind of unconditional love that comes from a godly source. And I believe that that's coming from him as well. When he sings, he is just giving us whatever comes through him, and we feel it. and that's why we feel like that, yes, this is what we need. Of course we need. We all need God's love. We all need the love. That unconditional, incredible love. And that's why as soon as we let him in, we just can't stop crying, because it goes so deep and heals. Yeah. I have no more questions. Oh, actually, I have a lot. Yeah. And it heals and it goes down, and there is no way that you can say no to him when he's there. Because when he's there, Jesus or God, source, universe, whatever we call Dimash, no armors, no masks, no walls anymore. It's just all being destroyed, if you know what I mean. And by the end, I kind of understood like what this song is about. I didn't know, sorry, before. If you talk about love, actually, there is one little short story that I would love to share with you. It's a private story, but you know, it just kind of, I felt it when I listened to the song, where it just come to my mind. And when I met my future husband, in the very, very beginning, the first time he actually hugged me or held me in his arms, that was the first time in my life I felt like that all the walls that were around me just like disappeared. And I really felt like that now, yes, I have arrived. It's definitely, this is the kind of love that I would wish to everyone to feel once in a lifetime, at least. So, where was I? Yes. So, like I said, technically, I was more shocked by the technique, because I know that he shows everything, shows a lot, he knows a lot, but I've never actually heard him show this type of change in 4 minutes. That control that he has, that's insane. That's insane. Like literally showing from going from, like, you know, the low to the high, this genre, this style, that style, female, male, lowest, highest techniques. It's the runs then. So it's basically, like I said, it sounded like to me like a showcase when someone asks, okay, maybe, you know, going audition and this is my showcase, this is my video, listen to it, and he has to show everything. And literally, like I said, it was like a musical. Like he needs to show all the characters in 4 minutes. So this type of control, this something I haven't seen. This is, like I said, if we think that we saw everything, nope. Dimash always proves that no. No. Wow, amazing. Beautiful. Oh, I'm looking forward to a concert in November. God, and I'm bringing my husband there, and I'm extremely curious what he's gonna say. Obviously, he knows him. He listened to him with me. So, but but live is different. Yes. So, wow, that was lovely. That was actually amazing. Okay, it's good to be back. It was it was so, I'm so happy I'm back. And I made this video. I hope you guys enjoy. If you have again any questions or comments, please post below the video. And also I'm coming with a surprise, like I said, and that surprise is my version of Amanat. Because yes, I I recorded it because actually I recorded this song as my final assignment in my last semester at Berklee. I'm gonna still have a semester, but in the previous semester, my assignment was Dimash, so my teacher was shocked, obviously, of course, please. So yes, I decided that I'm gonna do my own version as well, which hopefully I'm gonna be able to upload next week. And I hope you guys will enjoy it. Obviously, it's not something I don't copy Dimash or something. I just wanted to sing this song because it's just such a beautiful song, and I always love singing in different languages. That's definitely my thing as well. So I never sang in Kazakh before, and that was a very, very good experience. It was very nice. I really enjoyed it. Hope you guys gonna enjoy as well. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.